Welcome to aminacademy.com. In IGCSE Cambridge International Mathematics Extended, let us discuss about lines, angles and polygons. In that, we will discuss about angle properties. There is some important terminology that we can use and we talk about how two angles are related. You should become familiar with these terms. What is that? First one, two angles with sizes which added to 90 degree are called complementary angles. That means if sum of two angles is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary angles. Second one, two angles with sizes which added to 180 degree and are called supplementary angle. That means if sum of two angles are 180 degree, then those angles are called supplementary angles. Now, next one, what is adjacent angles? Two angles which have the same vertex and share a common arm are called adjacent angles. For example, look at here. Look at here. Here, suppose you name it A, B, C, D. Here, the angle and this angle are adjacent angles. These angles are adjacent angles. One more. Now, look at this. Here, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Here, we talked about adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. Now, we discuss further about properties of angles. Angles centered at a point. Always any angle centered at a point. Look at here. For example, here, suppose angle A, B, and C. In this, the point, suppose this point here is centered and some of those angles are 360 degrees. Angle at center at a point and surrounding this angle sum is 360 degree. Here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 360 degrees. Then adjacent angles on a straight line. Here, two adjacent angles on a straight line is called two angles on a same straight line is called adjacent angles. Look at here. Here, suppose this angle A, this angle B, angle A plus angle B equal 180 degrees. Then angles A and B angle are called adjacent angles. Here angle A and B are called adjacent angles if their sum is 180 degrees. Next one. Here, look at these two angles. Angle A. If angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degrees, then those angles are called complementary angles. Then A and angle B are complementary angles. Then next one, angle A, angle B. Vertically opposite angles are equal in size. Here angle A, vertically opposite angles are equal in size. Here angle A, angle B is vertically opposite angles. Those are equal. As well, you can get other set of vertically opposite angle here and there. Suppose name it D and C and D. Then angle C and D also a vertically opposite angles. Next one, look at here. Look at here. Next one. Look at here. Here, these two lines, let it be named L and M. Line L and M are parallel. Lines L M are parallel. That means line M parallel to line M. Then this line, suppose here the line T is called transversal. That means one line crosses the two parallel lines is called a transversal. Line T is transversal. Transversal. Then look at here. This, suppose this angle A, angle B are called corresponding angle. Angle A and angle B are corresponding angles and those are equal. And angle A equal angle B in size. These are corresponding angles. That means these two line L and M, if they are parallel, one transversal crossing the two parallel lines, then we can say angle corresponding position. That is, here angle is down, here angle is down. Then two angles are corresponding angles and those are equal. Next one. In the same, so change another color. Here I am using angle C and D. Here, look at this. These two angles C and D, the same parallel line but in opposite position. It's called alternate interior angles. Then here, angle C and angle D are called alternate angles. And those are equal. Angle C equal angle D in size. That means corresponding angles A and B are also equal and angles C and D are also equal. One more. Look at here. 1, 2, look at here. Here, this, suppose angle A, angle B. Here, if angle A plus angle B equal 190 degree in this position, then angle A and angle B are called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles and are supplementary and are supplementary angles. Next, we'll talk about triangle. Here, angle A, angle B, angle C. angles of triangle, the sum of interior angles, if angle A plus angle B, angle C equal to 180 degree in any triangle. This is called interior angle, sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now the same exterior angle, here suppose this angle A, angle B, let it be this angle C. Here the size of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior angles. That means here angle C, exterior angle, is the sum of two opposite interior angle. Here C is exterior angle and inside opposite is two interior angles, both together, that is angle A plus angle B equal to angle C for any triangle. That is called exterior angle of a triangle. This is called a C is called exterior angle of a triangle. Next one. Here, look at this. This is a polygon, four-sided polygon. This, let it be angles A, B, angle C, and angle D. Here, the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees. What do you mean here? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C and angle D is 360 degrees. So far we discussed about some angle properties of in a line, in a intersecting line, in triangle and polygon. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.